Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags on your Zendesk tickets. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with your email address and your password and you will be logged into your Zendesk account. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to edit your tags or add some tags to your ticket, click on the dashboard menu to see all of your tickets. Now, once you find the ticket within which you want to add or edit your tags, click on it and now you will see the tags menu. Go ahead and click on the tag section and then enter your desired tag. After entering your desired tag, click on the add tag button and this will be added right away. You can now click on the submit button and now the ticket has been submitted with the updated tags. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add some tags onto your ticket on Zendesk. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.